Hi there, how are you doing? Do you wish to transform your reality into something amazing but lack clarity as to what and how? If so, then keep watching. My name is Abhishek Buddharaja and I am a transformation coach. A lot of people have asked me this question that what is transformation coaching and what do transformation coaches do? So I thought I'd make a video to give you clarity on that. Transformation coaching entails delving deeper into who we are and determining what motivates us to act or refrain from taking action in certain situations, so that you can free yourself from the current you who is stuck, overwhelmed, afraid, and confused about the life choices that you've made. And most importantly, lacking clarity. If not this, then what? And all of that resulting in you feeling burnt out and not enjoying the life the way you should have. The current you who is trapped within your own self-imposed boundaries. So how does the transformation coach accomplish that? Well, one, through self-discovery. Experiencing yourself through your scope and reframing your thoughts and beliefs that are limiting you from being the best version of yourself. And two, by unleashing your immense potential, by making you aware of who you are and what's inside in you that you are oblivious to. It's a process of discovering your flow, and once you've found that, then repeating it again and again. How does this benefit you? Well, all of this will result in you transforming your reality into a new and a better you, by discovering who you are rather than who you should be, and by designing your life options to create and live your aspired to be reality. So answer this. Do you feel stuck in your current reality, or lacking options or clarity of same? Or do you feel the constant pressure of achieving something, a pressure not just by yourself but others too, and all of this resulting in you feeling burnt out? If so, then I have a strategy for you. Click on the link to start your transformation journey. And I bet you that you will amaze yourself while going through this journey and will be surprised what you can achieve and capable of.